Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making sauteed kale and mushrooms. So this is the ingredients list: red onion, mushrooms, kale, green seasoning blend, sang stir fry, classic sauce, and some chicken broth. Okay, so here I am cutting up the mushrooms, the kale, and the onions. We have all of that there. So now we're going to add some olive oil to our pan and we're going to saute the onions. I added a little bit of green seasoning blend, saute that for a while. Now that the onions have become translucent, we're going to add in the kale and the mushrooms. There I added some chicken broth to help to create like a steam, so that you notice I covered it. I steamed it for a little bit and then I added the stir fry sauce and combine everything together. Cover again, cook for about 5 minutes. And there you have a nice quick side dish. Enjoy!